Welcome to our guide on house exterior paint color ideas, where we'll explore a spectrum of hues to elevate your home's curb appeal. As the sun casts its golden glow upon the horizon, let's embark on a journey of color and creativity, exploring a myriad of exterior paint ideas to adorn your cherished abode. Imagine walking down a quaint street, each house a canvas of individuality. From classic charm to modern allure, the exterior paint colors you choose reflect your home's unique personality. Let's start with the timeless allure of classic colors. Picture a pristine white facade, standing as a beacon of elegance against the backdrop of azure skies. Or perhaps, delve into the depths of sophistication with shades of gray. From the gentle whispers of misty hues to the bold statements of slate, gray tones offer versatility and refinement. But why shy away from vibrancy? Embrace the spirit of individuality with a burst of color. A jubilant yellow sings of sunny days and joyful gatherings, while a tranquil blue whispers of serene oceans and tranquil evenings. Nature's palette beckons with earthy tones, inviting harmony between your home and its surroundings. Soft greens mimic the verdant foliage, while warm beiges blend seamlessly with the earth beneath. And let us not forget the power of accents, for they breathe life into every stroke of color. A bold front door, a splash of crimson or emerald, invites guests with open arms, hinting at the warmth and vibrancy within. Before committing to a hue, immerse yourself in the dance of light and shadow. Test swatches against the changing canvas of daylight, ensuring your chosen colors resonate harmoniously with your home's architecture and surroundings. As you stand at the threshold of creativity, remember, your home is a reflection of your dreams and aspirations. With a stroke of the brush and a splash of color, transform your humble abode into a masterpiece, a sanctuary that whispers tales of warmth and welcome to all who pass by. May your journey be filled with inspiration and discovery, as you unveil the true essence of your home through the kaleidoscope of exterior paint colors. Imagine walking down a quaint street, each house a canvas of individuality. From classic charm to modern allure, the exterior paint colors you choose reflect your home's unique personality. Let's start with the timeless allure of classic colors. Picture a pristine white facade, standing as a beacon of elegance against the backdrop of azure skies. White exudes purity and sophistication, making it a perennial favorite for traditional and contemporary homes alike. It provides a blank canvas for architectural details to shine and offers a sense of spaciousness, making even smaller homes appear larger. But why shy away from vibrancy? Embrace the spirit of individuality with a burst of color. A jubilant yellow sings of sunny days and joyful gatherings, while a tranquil blue whispers of serene oceans and tranquil evenings. Yellow radiates positivity and energy, instantly uplifting the mood of any passerby. It's an excellent choice for homes in need of a cheerful touch, creating a sense of warmth and welcome. Blue, on the other hand, evokes a sense of calm and tranquility, perfect for coastal retreats or homes nestled amidst lush greenery. Nature's palette beckons with earthy tones, inviting harmony between your home and its surroundings. Soft greens mimic the verdant foliage, while warm beiges blend seamlessly with the earth beneath. Green symbolizes growth, renewal, and harmony, making it an ideal choice for nature lovers or those seeking a connection to the outdoors. Beige, with its understated elegance, offers a sense of grounding and stability, creating a welcoming atmosphere for residents and visitors alike. And let us not forget the power of accents, for they breathe life into every stroke of color. A bold front door, a splash of crimson or emerald, invites guests with open arms, hinting at the warmth and vibrancy within. Accent colors provide an opportunity to infuse personality and flair into your home's exterior, serving as a focal point and adding visual interest. Whether you opt for a striking red, a regal purple, or a vibrant turquoise, the right accent color can make a bold statement while complementing the overall color scheme. Before committing to a hue, immerse yourself in the dance of light and shadow. Test swatches against the changing canvas of daylight, ensuring your chosen colors resonate harmoniously with your home's architecture and surroundings. Natural light can greatly influence how colors appear, so it's essential to observe them at different times of the day and in various weather conditions. Consider the orientation of your home, the surrounding landscape, and the architectural features you wish to highlight or downplay when selecting your exterior paint colors. As you stand at the threshold of creativity, remember, your home is a reflection of your dreams and aspirations. With a stroke of the brush and a splash of color, transform your humble abode into a masterpiece, a sanctuary that whispers tales of warmth and welcome to all who pass by. The exterior of a house serves as its first impression, conveying a story of style, personality, and charm. The choice of paint colors plays a pivotal role in shaping this narrative, transforming a mere structure into a welcoming sanctuary or a captivating masterpiece. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into a diverse array of exterior house painting color ideas, exploring timeless classics, bold statements, and harmonious blends that elevate curb appeal and reflect individuality. Classic elegance. Classic colors stand the test of time, exuding elegance and sophistication. Crisp whites, such as pure white or antique white, provide a timeless backdrop, accentuating architectural details and evoking a sense of purity and simplicity. Paired with bold trim in shades like black or deep charcoal, white exteriors create a striking contrast that commands attention and adds depth to the facade. Timeless neutrals. Neutral hues offer a versatile canvas for exterior painting, blending seamlessly with various architectural styles and surroundings. Shades of gray, ranging from light dove to slate gray, infuse sophistication and modernity, while maintaining a sense of warmth and neutrality. Beiges and taupes, such as sandstone or taupe tan, evoke a natural elegance, harmonizing with earthy landscapes and complementing traditional and contemporary homes alike. Vibrant statements. For those daring to make a bold statement, vibrant colors inject personality and character into the exterior palette. Sunny yellows, like goldenrod or sunflower, radiate warmth and positivity, instantly brightening the facade and exuding a cheerful welcome. Rich blues, such as nautical navy or deep sea, evoke tranquility and depth, reminiscent of clear skies and serene waters, perfect for coastal retreats or homes surrounded by lush greenery. Earthy harmony. Nature-inspired hues create a harmonious connection between the home and its environment, fostering a sense of serenity and tranquility. Soft greens, like sage or olive, mimic the lush foliage of the outdoors, while warm browns, such as terracotta or mocha, ground the facade with earthy richness. These earth tones blend effortlessly with natural landscapes, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Accents. Accent colors add a touch of personality and flair, serving as focal points that draw the eye and enhance architectural features. A vibrant front door in hues like crimson red or emerald green creates a bold statement against a neutral backdrop, inviting guests with open arms and hinting at the warmth and vibrancy within. Additionally, colorful shutters, trim, or accents can elevate the overall aesthetic, adding visual interest and charm to the facade. Considerations. Before embarking on your exterior painting journey, consider several factors to ensure a successful outcome. Assess the architectural style of your home, taking note of its features, proportions, and historical context. Additionally, consider the surrounding landscape, climate, and natural light conditions, as they can influence how colors appear and interact with the environment. Your home's exterior is more than just walls and windows, it's a canvas waiting to be painted with color and creativity. The right choice of paint colors can not only boost curb appeal, but also reflect your personality and style. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve deeper into house painting color ideas, covering a wide spectrum of options to inspire and elevate your home's exterior. Classic hues, timeless beauty and sophistication. Classic colors never go out of style. Crisp whites, such as alabaster or pure white, offer a clean and elegant look, enhancing architectural details and creating a sense of purity and freshness. Paired with contrasting trim in shades like iron or black fox, white exteriors exude sophistication and timeless appeal. Neutral tones, versatility and modernity. Neutral tones provide a versatile backdrop for any architectural style. Shades of gray, from repose gray to dovetail, offer a modern and sophisticated aesthetic, while warm beiges like accessible beige or agreeable gray create a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. These neutral hues complement a variety of exterior materials and landscaping, making them a popular choice for homeowners seeking understated elegance. Bold statements, expressing personality and creativity. For those looking to make a bold statement, vibrant colors can add personality and charm to your home's exterior. Bright yellows, such as lemon twist or goldenrod, evoke feelings of warmth and happiness, while rich blues like navel or indigo batik create a sense of calm and tranquility. These bold hues can be used to accentuate architectural features or highlight key areas of your home, adding visual interest and curb appeal. Earthy palettes, harmonizing with nature. nature-inspired colors offer a harmonious blend of warmth and serenity, creating a connection between your home and its surroundings. Soft greens, such as olive grove or sage green, evoke the tranquility of the outdoors, while earthy browns like woodland brown or chestnut add depth and richness to your home's facade. These earthy palettes blend seamlessly with natural landscapes, creating a sense of balance and harmony. Accent colors, adding depth and visual interest. Accent colors play a crucial role in adding depth and visual interest to your home's exterior. A bold front door in shades like red pepper or turquoise blue can create a focal point and make a striking first impression. Additionally, colorful shutters, trim, or accents can add personality and charm to your home's facade, enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal. Considerations: making informed decisions. Before selecting paint colors for your home's exterior, consider factors such as architectural style, neighborhood restrictions, and climate conditions. Test paint samples in different lighting conditions to see how they appear throughout the day, and consider how the colors will complement existing landscaping and outdoor features.